Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make thank you card for Etsy. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to simply create an Etsy account first. You can switch your Etsy account to selling if you want, but first is first, you have to go to the search icon and then look for thank you cards. Once you enter or tap on search, you will see here different samples of thank you cards. And as you can see here, these cards are possible to create using Canva. As you can see, this is the thank you card sample that you can see here in Etsy with this given amount right here. And since our tutorial is all about how to make thank you cards for Etsy, it's like you're selling thank you cards soon, then I strongly suggest to create an account here on Canva and then search for thank you cards once you have your account here. As you can see, there are tons of templates here and all you have to do is to edit. But I strongly suggest also that you need to upgrade your plan into Pro to use other templates right here. So let's just say we're going to customize this thank you card here on Canva. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to edit this. If you want to change the font, tap this font section right here and then look for that specific font that you want to use for your thank you card. The good thing about this Canva is that it has a user-friendly interface and all you have to do is to simply tap on, for example, if you want to change the color, you can see the color section right here, the font. If you want to add effects, on your font, then you can basically tap on effects. To see more elements here on Canva, you have to go to elements section and add that object that you want. So for example, I'm going to search for flowers or let's just say hearts, everything is up to you. And I strongly suggest to go to graphics and all you have to do is to drag this or replace whatever object here that you want to be replaced. And all you have to do is to adjust the object or the element. And that's it. You can add more if you want. You can change the font color so that it will match to your object or to your element right here. So that's it. You can also add captions. You can add more letters and words, and you can add more graphics if you want. So, for example, I want to add a more object for hearts, or I want to replace the heart right here. So I have to delete this one and then resize this. Okay, this is what it looks like. And then this one, delete, copy, paste, put it right here, and add more decorations. And elements that you want to add here. So basically that's it. Everything is up to you. Now, this is the finished product of my thank you card template to make it short. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, but I know you can do better than this. So basically, this is how easy it is to create thank you card using Canva and then sell this to your Etsy account. So once done, tap on share and then PDF or PNG, everything is up to you. And then download, go back to your Etsy, make sure that you're on your selling account or seller's account right here, and then post this, set up the name and then also the price. And basically that's it. So once you have your Etsy shop, you just have to publish this thank you card, add description, and then set price. Then people or the customer will notice this, they will tap this, they will add this to their cart, and then they will buy this thank you card. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.